Cooking fresh vegetables, super yummy. So, ito na, haharbisin na natin yung mga sili natin. Ayan. Going to harvest this jalapenos, guys, because it's already like frozen from the cold. It's really cold in here, guys. So, I'm just gonna harvest all of them. There you go, guys. And I already harvest the lettuce here. It's over there. I'm hoping that I can make something. Is jalapenos. Maybe I put this in freezer. That way, if I need it, I have it. The life here is weather. Weather lang po talaga ang buhay dito. So, ayan ang na-harvest ko, guys. So, this is how my harvest for this one. And I also doing the sprayer because there's a lot of like little insects that flying around. This is organic insecticide that I made a couple months ago. The ingredients is chili pepper, garlic, ginger, and molasses. So, but every 1 liter, and back to the how I made the organic insecticide. All the ingredients I blend it and then I ferment for 6 weeks. I fermented 6 weeks with and then after that I harvest, like I strain it, and then the juice that I got from ginger, chili, garlic, and onion, I fermented it again for another 4 weeks, 4 weeks to 6 weeks with the molasses. So it takes like, it takes longer to expire and it's still good. So this is like 7 months old now. So yeah, I decided to spray them today because I see some flying insects here. Just be careful, guys, when you use this one. Be careful with your eyes because it's really hot, spicy. If it's get into your eyes. So some other people use the goggles, but me, I just being very careful. So hopefully the insects will go away. They're flying. I already got the lupa, and I'm gonna get the gourd. They're very tiny, but I can eat them. So here we go. So here we go, guys. And I have the other one here. Other one. Huh. Look at this, guys. It's lupa or patula. What it looks like, I don't know. It's different shape. And there's more over here, guys. Hmm. Okay, guys. So There's more. Ito lang po ang natira ng malamig na panahon. Sana po, hindi ko lang alam kung makakasurvive pa po sila, pero mayroon po tayong na-harvest ngayong konti. Ayan. Ano? Ganon talaga ang buhay. Minsan, maganda. Ang pananim, minsan hindi. Ganon talaga. Parang gamble. So, it looks like, life is a gamble. So, that's it, guys. We did a lot today. And I'm still doing the spray. The organic pesticide or insecticide. So, yeah, we did a lot today. There we go. Thank you guys for watching. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. At ang dami po nating nagawa ngayon. Nag-harvest, nag-spray, nagdilig. Marami po tayong nagawa. Ayan. So, magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod na mga episode. Ayan po. Sige. Salamat po. Ay, naku po. Talaga namang araw na ito is busy. Busy talaga ang araw ngayon. So, ito. Siguro, talagang Ayan. Tapos na po tayo. Dito po, ilalagay ko lang po. Doon ito sa kabila. Pero ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung lahat na na-harvest natin. So, ito po ang lahat ng na-harvest natin. Ayan. Yung patula, saka yung upo, at mga sili po. Ayan. Ang lahat-lahat po na na-harvest natin, ayan na. So, sige po. Siguro lulutuin ko po ito. Hindi ko lang po alam kung mayroon pa akong time na mag-video, ipapakita sa inyo kung anong klaseng luto ko po dito. Pero sisikapin ko po. At least ma-update po kayo. Salamat po. Bye-bye. So guys, I decided to cook the vegetables that I harvest today. So here I am. I'm getting ready. I fill them and wash them and to make it clean, and now I'm getting ready to slice them. I already boiled the water to become a soup. So I put all the vegetable that I harvest, and I put a shrimp in it, and almost cooked, guys. So I taste it, and it's so yummy because the vegetable is so fresh. So very yummy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope to see you in my next episode. Thank you so much to all my subscriber. Thank you so much to all my kababayan. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa araw na ito. At sana po mag-subscribe kayo sa aking channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please take a moment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next one. You guys take care. I love you all. Bye-bye.